Hello viewer, it's a vehicle design we are using. So let's generate the further way. We will have the design. So take some further shapes as well. So we will have the shapes as well. Make furthermore. If you want to remove it, we will hide by using the round rectangular shape. It's the radical, and then we will use a razor tool. So there we are making some designs here. But that kind of use we will make furthermore experiences. So there we are.